Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about classic chapter 4 sorting material into groups. Question answer. Answer the following questions in one sentence. Question number first, name a soft material. Answer, rubber is a soft material. Question number second, is gold a lustrous material? Answer is yes, gold is a lustrous material. Question number third, why does a leaf float on water? Answer is a plant material will generally float in water. This is because leaves have air in the spaces between cells which help them collect CO2 gas from their environment to use in photosynthesis. Question number 4, why is wood an opaque material? Answer is the wood is an opaque material because we cannot see through these objects. Question number 5, what is an immiscible liquid? Answer is if two liquids do not mix in they form two separate layers such as liquids are called immiscible liquids. Answer the following questions in 3 to 4 sentences. Question number first, how do arrangement of molecules affect the state of a matter? Answer, matter in the solid state maintains a fixed volume and shape with component particles, atoms, molecules or ions close together and fixed into place. Matter in the liquid state maintains a fixed volume shape that adapts to fit its container. Its particles are still close together but move freely. Question number second, what is solution format? Explain with an example. Answer is when a material dissolves in liquid it forms a solution. Example, salt dissolve in water and form a salt solution. Question number 3, what are soluble and insoluble materials? Give 2 examples for each. The soluble and insoluble materials are soluble. A substance that dissolves in water is called soluble materials. Example, salt and sugar. Insoluble. A substance that does not dissolve in water is called insoluble materials. Example, sand and oil. Question number 4, what makes an object float or sink in water? Answer, an object float in water if its density is less than that of water. An object sink in water if its density is greater than that of water. Question number 5, how are transparent materials different from translucent materials? Answer, the transparent materials different from translucent materials are transparent. The materials through which most light that falls on it passes is called transparent. Translucent, the material through which some of the light that falls on it passes is called translucent. Answer the following questions in details. Why does the fragrance of an incense stick spread in the whole room? Answer is the fragrance of an incense stick is spread in the whole room. This is because smoke is a gas. All gases spread in the available space. Question number 2, why are boats made of wood? Answer is boats are made of wood because the wood have less density and therefore it float on water. Question number 3, why is glass used to make electric bulbs? Answer is glass is used to make electric bulbs because glass can be made opaque by painting its surface material that allow light to pass through partially. Question number 4, how will you distinguish whether a given material is transparent, translucent or opaque? Transparent. Answer is transparent. The material through which most light that falls on it passes is called transparent. Translucent, the material through which some of the light that falls on it passes is called translucent. Opaque, The material through which light cannot pass is called opaque. Question number 5. Explain the importance of sorting object into groups with the help of an example. Answer is, we need to sort object into group because it makes convenient study their properties and also observe any patterns in these properties. It also helps us to locate any object. Example, grocer usually keeps all the types of biscuits at one corner of his shop, all soap at another, while grain and pulses are stored at some other place.